It's warm, welcoming. Everybody here is nice and friendly. We have lots of things to do.
It's a really great school and so fun, and there's so much to do, and everyone's really friendly here.
This school's just super duper fun.
I like how every teacher is unique at the school. They're all so nice and everyone's so supporting.
She'll tell us what the word is for bear or Ojibwe, and it's makwa.
They teach me things and they bring us outside.
They're all so fun because they all have these different twists with things, so they all make it really fun and exciting to do schoolwork.
They're kind, they help, they make it so that way you can have fun.
I love that it has so many different workshops that you can do to learn new things.
We did some pottery, and we could bring the pottery home after it was made. One of my favorite things to do here is choir.
I like that we get to sing and have fun while we're singing because we get all these really fun songs to sing.
We get to go up in the magical forest, and I go and I roll off the hill, which is so entirely fun. I like it.
I think it's pretty awesome because there's so much opportunities for kids to do a lot of different things.